Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily connect your Xbox controller to your Xbox One console. Now for this demonstration, I'll be using my Series X because I don't have an Xbox One, but the process is the exact same. Now, if you're trying to connect an Xbox Series X controller to the Xbox One, I don't know if it's going to work. Obviously, you can connect the Xbox Series X controller to the Series X. Who would guess that? But I'm almost certain that you can't connect to the Xbox One. So I advise trying out the steps in this video. Worst case is you can't connect the Xbox Series X controller, but obviously you can connect the Xbox One, and I believe if you plug in the Xbox 360 controller, you can connect that as well. So all you want to do is, you see at the top there's a share button, or whatever. You just hold that down until the Xbox controller starts flickering. Once you see this flickering, what you want to do is, on the Xbox One, you're going to see two buttons. This one right here is going to eject the disc. So if there's any button next to the disc tray, do not press that. But there should be another button. In this case, it's right next to the USB port. You just press that, and it's going to put your Xbox into pairing mode, and it should connect the controllers. So you can see any moment now. There we go. The controller's connected. And once the controller's connected, you can now control your Xbox with it. So you can do this with as many controllers as you like. Do keep in mind, only one controller can control a game. So if you're in a game, player one will only be able to control the controller. But if you're playing like a multiplayer game, whatever, then you should be good to go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.